Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these Living Nature soft toys that were sent to me from Keycraft. The toys come in this cute carry case which is lined with straw. On the side there is a section you can tear open, and inside this one is a cute brown rabbit. It has adorable floppy ears, amber eyes and an embroidered nose and mouth. It looks very realistic and feels super soft like a real rabbit. Inside the next one is this panda. It has dark brown eyes, a shiny nose and an embroidered mouth. The black and white fur is very soft and the panda is super cute and cuddly. Each toy is about 7 inches tall and they are able to sit by themselves because of their beanbag weighted body. Each set also comes with a booklet which has a certificate, some information and fun facts about the animal. Now I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make some cute crafts for these Living Nature toys. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!